guys, today we're going to make a teacher's gift. Now this is what you need. Paper, scotch tape or tape, pencil.
Kuya, sabi ko like and subscribe. Ngayon?
Sorry, this is my brother. And also you need colors.
Yeah. Like this.
And also a gift. Yeah. And also a gift so you can put it here. I already done the basics. First you need to fold it like this. Look, see? We need to fold it like this. Make sure that there's space. Like this. There's space here because you need to scotch tape. But before that, when you're done, you need to draw anything. Just do whatever design you wish. Mine is a UFO, and then I'm going to draw it even more. Okay. Nope.
Oh yeah, I need to wait. Oh.
Then there. Oh no! It broke. Like okay. Just do any design. Just draw. Then we're going to color it. That's not good. I need another one.
Sige. Okay, babalik ko pa. That's right there. Ano na post ko?
Yung alin?
Ano yan?
There? Okay, now when you're done, like me, let's color. Okay.
I love color.
I'm going to color. No. Oh, this. Is this blue? Oh, yep. There. Thank you, Matthew.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Aw, that's so cute. That's cute. Ah. How am I going to?
No, that's not. Weird.
I need the call. There, that's right like that.
Ah. Oopsies. Let me try this.
There you go. That's much better.
Thank you, Matthew.
You're welcome. Kala ko si Ate Chacha. Hindi pala si Mama. Yun pala si Tatay.
Okay, I'm done.
Like and subscribe.
Sino mo po doon?
Ako yung upo dito.
Oo mo, sabi ko diba?
Hindi ako dito. Hindi ako upo dito.
Tatay mo po dyan eh.
Hindi.
Sino?
Pwede no?
Ako?
Hindi.
Wrong one.
That's the wrong one. There you go. Well,
Ako pati saglit ha? Yung?
apa?
Okay, now, when you're done, fold it again. Okay, wait. I'm going to grab a scissors. How to stop?
Hello.
Hindi mo talas yan ha?
Wow.
Mas okay.
Dito matalas yan, gunting yan. Matalas yan ha?
I'm scared of.
Labay, bagutin mo ko. Matalas yan.
I'm scared of that. need all the colors. Okay. And this. There, are you done?
Yeah. Where's Papa?
Doon sa
Papa.
taas.
Cool.
Okay.
Like,
Doon sa labas.
Opo.
I need this.
Yeah. Problem late. Matulog ba? Okay. Tama ko si Emak eh.
Tema?
Ito daw niya eh. Hindi siya nakakadaan sa shop niya.
Hello.
Hindi na makakanood ng TV.
Kuya, gagawa ko yan ah. Sabi daw ni mama.